Welcome back! Today I will be showing a really nice way how to make granola. I know there are a lot of bloggers and food bloggers, and I really like the version of San Chloe. You can check that out. Her way to make granola is really nice, and I haven't really tried it out exactly like she does it because she has many ingredients that I don't have, and that's why I will want to show you a way to make granola not that exotic, with not many ingredients that require a high budget. So yeah, let's get right to it. There are endless possibilities how to make granola. There are just some pieces that are like the basics. So these are definitely oats. You can choose split oats or whole oats. I have used both. It really depends on the taste, how you like it. You can even mix both. I just don't have rolled oats right now, so that's why you can take them. Then I really love to add lined seeds, but I process them before I use them. They are better to digest. So what I also love to add are spelt flakes. I really like them. They are a little bit darker, but they are actually also just wet. So you can add also any other flakes, or like popped quinoa or amaranth. Yeah. Meanwhile, while we're preparing this, you should also start preheating your oven on approximately 180 degrees on hot air. Okay, another thing is to make the granola. I also love adding nuts and all of that, and also raisins. If you don't like raisins, you can also add cranberries or dried fruits, or you don't even have to add fruits at all. I buy always this like these mixes, you know, these student mixes. I don't know if they're called like that in other countries, where you just have nuts and raisins in there, and I add them, but don't add the raisins. They're going to be super hard after it has been in the oven. If the nuts are a little bit bigger, then I really recommend you to cut them into little pieces. So this is the amount that I'm adding. You can also add more or less, depends on how much you want. It's approximately half a cup. You can also add 1 cup. So I think I want to add more. You see, I measure out everything with my eyes. Now comes the coconut oil. You can just spread it with a spoon. If you don't have coconut oil, you can also add olive oil or sunflower seed oil. That's what I will be doing too, because I don't have enough coconut oil. Besides coconuts, in my video how to make coconut chips, you can also add your dried coconut chips into your granola. They're going to be fantastic in there. I have tried it out last time. I have just eaten it up. That's why I will do a granola again. So we'll add some olive oil. But olive oil has also a strong taste, so if you don't like olive oil, you should add sunflower seed oil or another vegetable oil. Okay, and then we just mash it up with our hands. This is the funniest part, actually, and the dirtiest one, because yeah, make sure that everything stays well. It's really nice with your hands. Nothing is better than if you would work it with your hands. And if not all the flakes are in oil, that's also fine. It's nothing bad. That's not everything. We are not done here, because now it's really good peeling with your hands, you see. because now we will add some spices. Yeah, you heard me. You can add some salt. I don't like it very much, and if you add some lime seeds, they will get also salty. What I'm adding is some cinnamon. Really love cinnamon. You can also add some cacao if you like it, if you like that kind of taste. Then I'm adding 2 cloves. You can also add more, but they have really intense flavor. So then we add some chia seeds. You can also add hemp seeds or something else. You can also add the chia seeds after the bake. That's totally fine. What I also love to add is some ground cinnamon. Oh, I really love cinnamon, you see. To sweeten it up, I don't recommend you to add honey because it's not good to heat honey. But you can add some agave syrup or maple syrup, something like that. Apple syrup is also really nice. I just add a little bit because afterwards I will add some raisins. That's why it's going to have some sweetness anyway. That's basically it, as far as I remember. Don't forget, if you have pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, then I recommend to add them because after the bake they are going to be really delicious. And of course you can also add more nuts if you want. And that's basically it. And now into the oven for about 15 minutes, but you should watch your granola so it doesn't get burnt. Have fun and enjoy!